I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears with pectin. Combine pectin with cold juice and a little sugar, then heat gently while stirring to dissolve. Add citric acid for bright flavor and to help the gel set. Pour into silicone molds, tap out bubbles, and chill until firm. Finish by dusting with cornstarch or oiling molds for easy release and long-lasting chewiness. Gather your ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Use 100% fruit juice for the best flavor and color, and weigh pectin carefully for texture control. A candy thermometer is essential to avoid overheating and ruining the gel. Silicone molds release easily, and a small funnel or dropper speeds filling. Keep a bowl of cold water nearby to cool any spills quickly and cleanly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook, and it seals tightly so no spills near your molds. I linked it and other helpful deals in the description, so check those out if you want one. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Bloom pectin in cold juice first, then stir it into the rest of your juice with sugar and heat slowly while whisking. Maintain steady temperature and watch for a glossy, smooth mixture before removing from heat to preserve bright flavor. Add citric acid off heat to balance sweetness and set the gel. Fill molds quickly, knock out bubbles, and refrigerate until firm for perfectly shaped gummy bears every batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.